Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 13. So let's start. Number 1 is here.
Nice.
Number 2.
Great.
Number 3. Number 4. Okay. Alright. Let's cross these. Okay, and one more. Alright, so let's think. Yellow one is probably there. No. Then it's here. Okay. Alright. Now we need the green one. Dark green. Dark green probably could be there. Yes. Alright. Okay, so we need 3 more colors.
Nice.
Maybe there. Yes. Okay. Alright, we need 3 more cats.
Great.
Green one is probably there. Yeah. Okay. There's
Perfect.
nothing here. There is a cat. Okay, and one more.
Excellent.
One more is probably there. Okay.